I need your love. Baby, I need your love. Tryna act.
Hello, hi, nice to meet you. How it go? My name is Christine Arlene, and today is my first ever YouTube video. Like, it's crazy to me because like I wanted to start YouTube since like 2015. It's 2018 now, like I know. But anyway, if you want to see how I did this look, this little sunflower, I don't know, I want to say sunflower inspired look, then keep watching. Okay, so I already do my eyebrows. I already come on camera with my eyebrows yet, like I look crazy enough. But for my eyebrows, I use the brow pomade, Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. I use this MAC Select Cover Up in NC45 concealer, and then I set them with this NYX mascara and brunette. Now I'm going to prime my face. I like to put this around here, around my smile lines, because I get really annoying smile lines all the time. And I think that if I use a little bit of this, there, it helps. Okay, so I already primed my lids with the Shade Tape Concealer in Tan Tan, and then I'm just gonna go over my mobile lid area with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. So it's best to let that kind of like dry or set before you go on with shadow, so you can set it with translucent powder if you want to. First, I'm going to work with this shade in my crease and like all the way basically up to under my eyebrow, and then I'm going to go in with this shade on the moving lid, and I'm taking the lighter yellow shade on a really fluffy brush. It's the Morphe M518 brush. Then we're gonna take a flatter brush. This is also a Morphe brush. I don't know the number because it done rubbed off. And take that darker and like kind of pat it on the lid. It's like a rusty yellow type of situation, you feel me? And then I'm going back in with the blending brush, picking up more of the first yellow, just to make sure both of them are seamless. And yeah, it's a very easy look. Now I'm gonna go in with the NYX Vivid Bright liner, and this is the red one. I don't know if it has a specific name. Oh, I lied. It's Vivid Fire. This is a lot of pressure. Done looking crazy. Let's see. My skin is like so discolored and random now. Because this literally was my perfect shade, and now it's looking. Let's see. I think it matches my neck. So that's what we want. Then we're gonna go in with the Beauty Blender to make sure it's blended to the cards and to make sure it's not cake. Because I like pound cake, I like strawberry cake. I don't like face cake. And I spent some time, honey, blending. Now I'm gonna go in with the NARS concealer. This is the Biscuit concealer in medium dark 1. I like to focus the concealer on my dark circles, and then I could take it elsewhere, but it's like my focus point. Now I'm going in with Truffle from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a foundation stick. set my contour, I'm going to go in with the soft focus powder from Black Radiance in Milk Chocolate. I'm taking this slanted brush. Ignore this bump because it's really just being inappropriate today. Now we're going to go in with the Mercier Translucent Setting Powder and my beauty blender to set the concealer. So for under my eye, we're just going to push it into my skin. We're not really gonna bake. When I bake under my eye, it's just not cute. It's just not cute. We're not gonna let that set on for too long. Almost immediately I swipe it off. And I don't set my face with like setting powder. What I do is kind of use the residue from the translucent powder, blend it all over my face. I feel like this further blends and melds all the products together. So for blush, I'm going to use the Morphe, and I'm feeling pretty blushy today. So we're going to mix 2 shades. And I like to take it down on my chin too. I don't know why. For the faux freckles, we're going to use 2 Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomades, 1 in chocolate and 1 in caramel. So I'm going to take the bobby pin and just go to town. You can use a picture on Google of someone with freckles, or you could just wing it. And I like to press it in with my finger and then press it somewhere else. I like to put most of the focus on the inner part of my face and just alternate between shades. So I went ahead and I put highlight on. This is the Gilded Honey Highlighter by Laura Geller. And I also put the Milk eyeliner in my waterline and a little bit of mascara on. I'm gonna put just a little bit more highlighter because I want to. Cool. And now we're gonna do the lips and we're gonna be done. And then for lipstick, I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty liquid lipstick and we're gonna paint it on. Baby, that is intense. Babe, this is intense. Oh my god. That's crazy. And that's cute. It's cute. It's cute. But we're not done yet. On top of that, I'm gonna go back in with the yellow shade and I'm gonna go in the center of my lips with that and just pat. Dry. And there you have it.
Take you on a trip to the Bahamas. You don't gotta worry about the drama. As far as girls go, I not a lot of.